Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a headlight bulb in a Hyundai Elantra. First, ensure your vehicle's engine is completely off and cool to the touch for safety. Gather all necessary tools, such as a new bulb, a screwdriver, and protective gloves, before you begin. Wearing gloves will protect your hands and prevent oils from transferring to the new bulb, which can shorten its lifespan. Always prioritize safety when working on your car. Now, open the hood of your Elantra and locate the back of the headlight assembly. You'll see the electrical connector attached to the bulb. Gently twist or pull to disconnect it. Next, you'll need to remove the dust cover or retaining clip that holds the bulb in place. Some models might have a spring clip or a twist-off cap. Be careful not to force anything, as these components can be delicate. With the retaining clip or dust cover removed, you can now carefully pull out the old headlight bulb. Remember, never touch the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can create hot spots and cause premature failure. Hold the new bulb by its base and insert it firmly into the socket. Make sure it's seated correctly and securely before proceeding to the next step. Once the new bulb is in place, reattach the retaining clip or dust cover and reconnect the electrical connector. Double-check that everything is snug and secure. Before closing the hood, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working properly. Test both low and high beams. If everything looks good, you're all set. For more helpful tips and great deals, including those leak-proof meal prep containers, check the description below. They make preparing your meals so much easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.